grow up, I'm a Toys R Us kid. They got a million toys at Toys R Us that I can play with. I don't want to grow up, I'm a Toys R Us kid. They got the best for so much less, you really flip your lid.
From bikes to trains to video games, it's the biggest toy store there is.
Gee whiz!
I don't want to grow up, 'cause baby, if I did, I couldn't be a Toys R Us kid. More games, more toys. Oh boy, I want to be a Toys R Us kid.
What up, Jonies? So today I'm gonna go back up to the baseball fields in Elysian Park, what I call the Field of Dreams, and work on camera settings for the camera I'm running on the Chameleon here. The camera I'm running on the Chameleon here, which is the Eagle 2. Just Eagle 2, nothing extra. I bought it a while ago. I've been running it probably 4 months. My prior camera was a Rotorite Swift, which was made for, which was a 4:3 aspect ratio, and I have Dominator V3s, and that's 16:9. So anyways, needless to say, if you check one of my past videos, you'll see it was like seeing for the first time when I had this Eagle 2 installed. But nonetheless, I'd like to check the camera settings. I left the wire attached when I rebuilt it so that I can hook up the little dongle to access the OSD to change the camera settings for moments just like today. And today I have a pretty good sky with clouds, and you know, it's the middle of the day-ish, not noon, but like 4:03. So I have all the right mixture to do camera settings. See you at the field.
Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white, like something you ride a sled down. I just want that head. My Brilliant, I'm mad. A Brilliant, her man now. Everybody got the same sweat now. All the way that I chat now. Stacking my bands all the way to the top, all the way to my bed falling over. Every time that you leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on over. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me. I call it that Casanova. She said I'm insane. I cannot die bigger than my universe.
Not a bad sesh, not a bad sesh. Got my fix in there. Not bad, not bad. Alright. That was fun. Yeah, so that was fun. That's all I needed today, to be quite honest. This is a public park, and it's about to be after school. It's almost 2 o'clock in California. That's after school. So yeah, it flies really, really good. I can't complain. There's no complaints. Super locked in feeling with those PIDs. Maybe, like I said, I could dial the P down on the roll, but I was thinking maybe I should just up the D on the roll instead. I didn't feel anything. I was super responsive just then. Did everything I wanted to do, got me out of all of the scenarios. Yeah. So I know the purpose today. I can't get away from the construction noise. That was the purpose of today. Construction at my house. Now, I said I was going to talk about editing and not editing. The purpose of today's flight was also to dial in the RunCam Eagle 2 settings. And what I did was I just took it off of auto saturation is on, because I would think that'll go from day to night for me. Auto day, auto night. I left that on auto, but I turned everything else to manual, and the brightness is at 25 or 24, 28 or 24, one of those two numbers. So yeah, that's what I did to make sure that it wasn't too much of whatever it's called refracting, whatever the around the outer edges of objects. That digital noise, I turned that was in the sharpness, and that's all the way down. Camera settings, mess with your cameras. See what you like. You can always hit default. Start again. Yeah, so that was a fun sesh. Well, I need to grab something to eat.